Alright guys, we're gonna need this for today's video bad. Alright, so we're finally gonna start showing some love to the FRS right here. We got about 2 months until this thing goes to SEMA, and we got the Gen 1 Street Hunter kit coming for the FRS. So it's pretty much gonna look somewhat like that car over there. But as you can see, it looks absolutely abandoned right now. I was looking at it the other day. Check this out. The mother spider is nowhere to be found, but we got some spider eggs chilling under the clear tails. And yeah, there's spiders everywhere, guys. Absolutely disgusting. We're gonna spray this thing down, give this thing somewhat of a nice wash, because it's been sitting literally for like, I want to say 6 months. So it's officially time to start working on this thing. Got about a little bit less than 2 months until SEMA. SEMA is October 31st. I know it seems impossible, guys, but we got to get this car right here to look like the purple one over there. A lot of work, pretty much a full rebuild transformation. It's gonna be crazy, but it's gonna be a lot of work. But right now, it is officially SEMA crunch time. It's time to get things going. Tomorrow, we're actually dropping off the FRS over at Street Hunter. They're gonna start test fitting some panels for the new wide body kit. So my car is pretty much the test car. So super exciting. Officially tomorrow, we're gonna get started on getting this thing looking right. Alright, not only do we have a supercharger in this car, but let's take a look under there. Do you guys see that? It's literally a Black Widow. Oh my gosh, bro. Do you guys see the red? I'm trying to like get it to focus, but dude, this, I don't even want to touch this car, bro. Look at it. Literally right there, you can see the red on its belly. It's time to throw this whole car away. Alright guys, I sprayed this thing like crazy, even parts of the engine bay. I think I got all the spiders out, but I was thinking about starting the car up today, but I think I'm gonna postpone it till tomorrow because I just absolutely wet this whole engine bay. I will most likely see you guys tomorrow when we can start that thing, when it's all dried up. Yeah, we'll get a new battery tomorrow as well, but yeah, let's let this thing dry up. $320 later, we got ourselves our new battery for the FRS. Guys, this month has just been so expensive, and it's not even the month of SEMA yet. Oh my gosh, like it's just been non-stop spending money on the FRS and stuff and getting that car ready. Literally just yesterday, we ordered the new wheels. So new 3-piece wheels are officially ordered, and it should be here in about a few weeks. So if you think about it, I'm literally like buying everything to like complete a build in a sense. Like the FRS is just completely bare right now, like nothing on it. It's like literally building a car from the ground up, like buying every single thing, like bags, wheels, wrap, wide body kit, you name it. So it's been an expensive month so far as buying stuff for that car. Trying to stay alive, it's been a lot. It's just this car stuff gets really expensive at times. But anyways, we're gonna do some last minute stuff for the FRS. Let's get that battery in, and I'll probably drive it around for a little bit before she goes for good until probably close to SEMA time. So it's gonna be a while. The car is not in my hands. Also, excuse me looking absolutely like tired. It looks like I cried. My allergies are absolutely destroying me today. Seasonal allergies. It's kind of like that time of the year where I get allergies, it's just non-stop sneezing, runny nose. But yeah, since we went to AutoZone, I have a Pizza Hut right next to my local AutoZone. If you guys don't know, I used to work at Pizza Hut. I quit Pizza Hut around the time that I got the red WRX. But everything before the red WRX, I worked at Pizza Hut. I was delivering in the FRS, literally that car, delivering in the wide body FRS. That job was low-key fun. My lunch breaks, I would always get this when I worked at Pizza Hut. If you guys have not tried the Cinnabon mini rolls from Pizza Hut, they are absolutely fire. See, I already had some. I couldn't even wait. This is the best part, guys. Dude, their pastas are freaking amazing. I would always get this on my freaking lunch breaks at Pizza Hut. Pasta, cinnamon rolls, and a soda. I don't get soda anymore. I stopped drinking soda, but you guys gotta try this combination right here. Anyways, I'm gonna eat all this right now. I get so hungry when I have my allergies. But yeah, we'll take care of that, and then we'll start up the FRS. I just opened the hood to put the battery in. You guys remember yesterday when we found those spiders in the engine bay, but I found something else right now that shouldn't be there, just overnight. We got this little, I don't know, whatever that is, piece of food, but there's a rat poop just overnight. Look at all that rat poop right here. A few rats or mice decided to just make their way in here overnight. I'm sure they're gone already, but yeah, dude, this is enough of this car sitting, guys. This is way too much.
That's
the green color?
It's different from the one that I showed you, though. It's I don't know. I always think it's a good look. I always think it's a good contrast to the other builds. But
yeah.
I might should be out there tomorrow.
Okay, sounds good. All right, man.
All right, cool. Thanks, dude.
Thanks. More SEMA stuff. We're talking about wrap colors, potential wrap colors, and wheel color. I did order my wheels already, but I might have to change it for the wrap color. So, yeah, you guys get to see what goes on behind the scenes. All right, guys, first startup in what it seems like to be forever. I want to drive this thing. Guys, the FRS is alive. Dude, this exhaust tone is so nostalgic. Hearing the FRS again just brings it back to the old videos and everything. Oh man, such a vibe, bro. It's so good to be back in this car. Even though it's gonna be on the tow truck later today up to LA. But let's just enjoy the couple hours we have with this thing. The car is tuned with the EcuTech, so I'm gonna have my dashboard popped up just in case, just to see how the car is running. Car has 91 in it, so it's only showing 12% ethanol. But it looks good. Honestly, it looks pretty good for sitting for a while. Good thing I didn't leave the car with E85. I heard it's bad to leave your car sitting with E85, because apparently E85 is very corrosive, so having it sit in the engine is not good. Actually, let's stop. Let's put the pop tune on real quick. So we'll hold on the cruise control lever. I think, from what I can remember, it's a map 2. I think. Hopefully. We'll try 2. Definitely needs an alignment. I'm hoping I don't run into any cops. Like, my car looks like a wreck right now. No front plate, no bumpers, front and rear. Loud exhaust, pops, everything. Jeez. Pop, let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh my god, I missed this car. I seriously cannot wait till it's like fully built, you know, wide body kit and everything. This thing is shooting mad flames, loud exhaust, dude, it's such a vibe, bro. Let's see right here, the main big one. Oh, that's a flame. Bro, this thing is spinning fat flames right now. It's actually running really good too. Gosh, this thing, I forgot how quick this was. Damn, this thing is pretty quick, man. It's been a while. It's pretty torquey for FRS. Nothing crazy, but dude, it gets the job done. Oh my gosh. Dude! I do not remember this car being this quick. Alright, good. nothing but smiles, bro. Literally, the pops, the exhaust, the way it drives, everything. It's literally perfect. This car has been so great. It's definitely gonna be sad to have it away from the house, but it's all for the better, guys. It's gonna be so worth it. I probably sound hella dramatic, but my heart is hella beating right now. That was such a like adrenaline. I don't know, it just like brought me back, dude, like just to driving this thing every day. But that was so fun. But yeah, my tow guy just texted me. Let's see what he said. He texted me saying his truck broke down. Oh gosh, okay. Well, that's a turn in events. Damn. I guess no tow tonight. We're gonna have to figure something out. Alright guys, bro, change of plans. We couldn't get it towed, so we're driving up to LA right now, 2 hours. And I can see a Ford Explorer next to me. I can't tell if it's a cop, but it's like staying behind me. It's a white one. It low-key looks like the undercover ones. Does not want to pass me. I'm low-key scared. For some reason, I feel like it's not a cop, but maybe I'm just tripping. Okay, no, it's not. Ford Explorers be trolling, bro. But yeah, we got a 2-hour drive ahead of us in the FRS, looking like this. Wish me luck, guys. $644 for 91. I'm telling y'all, that's why I made the merch. High prices, low cars. It's true out here in California. Quick stop for gas though. FRS is so far so good. It looks a little bit rough on the road, but hey, it drives. Taking it in, guys. This is the last time you guys are gonna see this car looking somewhat like this. Dude, it's gonna be insane, this transformation. Damn, 68 even. That's crazy. Oh yeah, also, always get the paper towels from the trash bins at gas stations. Don't want to be touching these dirty handles. We finally made it to LA. We're actually at Dylan's house. I'm sure you guys have seen Dylan in TJ's videos. He has the Millennium Jade Gen 2 BRZ, which is right here. Gosh, bro, that is so freaking sick. Got all his cars parked right here. It was a long 2.5 hour drive around there. What's up, dude? Sight to see, huh?